everybody, welcome to the all-new Jake the Dog YouTube channel. This is my dog Jake. He's kind of facing the other way right now. I am Caitlin from the Caitlin Show. I'll link that below. He also has a YouTube channel, a Instagram. I'll link that below, and an old account for TikTok that we're going to be using again. So that'll be below. So today we're doing a don't pick the wrong mystery box challenge, and we're gonna put treats in it and see what. Yeah, I'm saying treats, and we're gonna see what he chooses. Sometimes you might use one box, sometimes you might use two boxes or three. We don't know, but we're gonna get started. So let's go to the video. So we have these little treats. Now we were going to get the bigger size, but they were kind of like more expensive that way. So I have my 3 boxes or sort of boxes here. And I'm going to put it under one. He's got to come in and choose. You can hear him. He's really excited because he saw me grab the treats. So yeah, so here we go. I'm going to choose to put it in the middle first. It's typical, but it's in the middle. And he's going to have to try to get it. So here it is on the floor. And he's going to have to try to scope it out and sniff for it. So in the next clip, you'll see him come in and try to get it. Come on, go smell it. Go smell the boxes. Jake, look. Look, in here. Go smell the boxes. You have to smell and see where it is. No more. I can't. Look, go smell the boxes. Look, is it in there? Where is it? Look, it's in there. He doesn't quite get the challenge out. Look, it's in there. Jake, it's in there. Which one? We'll be right back. Can you smell it? Which one is it in, Jake? Is it in this one or this one or this one? Look, it's over there. Choose it. Choose a box. He thinks I have a treat. Look, no treats. No more. No more. Look, what's inside. Go get it, Jake. What's in there? Have to choose the right mystery box. Look, come on, go choose the right mystery box. Can you choose it? Look, choose one, Jake. What's in there? You have to get it. What's in there? He's sniffing around. He's trying to get to the challenge. Look, what's in there, Jake? In here, in here.
Get it. Get it.
Go get it, Jake.
Over there.
He smells something.
Not here. Here. What's this? Here.
So he's going to tap on a box with his nose, and whatever he gets, that's what he's going to choose.
I can't believe it doesn't smell. What is that? Go get it.
Oh, he chose this one. So let's look up Jake. Look. Right, we switched it to this one.
Go get it.
Come on, go find it, Jake. Go pick a box. Come on, go pick a box, baby.
What's that? What's this one? Come on. Come on. He's like, duh.
Oh.
He's like
Oh my goodness, he chose it with his tail.
right there, you dink dummy.
Dude, you chose it with your tail.
Right here. It's right there. Jake, there's a treat
Come here, look, it's right there, Jake. It's right there, Jake.
Go get it.
Jake, look right there.
Yay.
1 point. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
He's like,
My mom
I don't
said help with the
understand.
challenge.
I don't
Let
understand.
me rub your belly.
Where's that quarter come from?
This one I have a bigger bowl and maybe you'll smell it better. So I'm going to put the boxes down really fast. Now I'm going to put the 2 white boxes in front of each other and this one on the end. And I am going to put it on this, I'm going to put it in this side now. And I'm going to see if he smells it. I don't know if he gets this challenge, but we'll see. Choose the right box. Can you smell it? Can you get it out? You got it. Good boy. He got it, guys. That's 2 points out of 3 rounds. Good boy. This time we have 2 of these and this for the last round. All right. Come on, Jake. It's the last round. Come on, Jake. Can you get it? So I think my mom put them in 2 boxes. So let's see. Where is it, Jake? Are you looking? He smells it. Oh, good boy. He loves food challenges. He can smell something under the air. Can you get the other mystery box? Where'd they go? Where'd they fall? That's a good boy. No more. That's a good boy. Jake, come here. Look at me. Did you have fun today, Jake? Look at me. There's no more, buddy. Look at me. Look, there's no more, buddy. Let me flip the boxes up to show him there's no more. No more. He really loves food challenges, as you can see. Did you have fun today? You did. Say bye-bye, everybody. Say subscribe.